What happens when you plank for 5 minutes every day? The plank is a straightforward and adaptable exercise that doesn't necessitate any extra equipment. Only the floor and a few minutes of your time are necessary. The results of this exercise are remarkable. What would be the outcome of planking daily? I will address this question in the following video. Make sure to watch until the end, as it promises to be engaging. Let's get started. Plank will strengthen your muscles. Planking is an effective method to enhance your muscle strength, especially in the core region. The core encompasses muscles such as the abs, obliques, and erector spinae, which provide crucial support to the internal organs. Weak core muscles often contribute to the occurrence of abdominal hernias. However, individuals with well-developed core muscles have a significantly reduced risk of hernias due to their robust muscular support. Thus, it is essential to train and strengthen the abs and obliques not only for aesthetic purposes but also for the overall health of the internal organs. Plank will develop your back muscles. The plank offers a notable advantage by aiding in the development of back muscles without the risk of injury. While exercises like deadlifts are undoubtedly beneficial, they require flawless technique to be performed safely. Unfortunately, many individuals who have attempted deadlifts have sustained injuries and endured lengthy recovery periods. Although the exercise is highly effective, it can be traumatic. Conversely, planking is a non-traumatic alternative. Regularly performing planks not only strengthens the lower back muscles but also targets the upper back muscles. The resulting developed back muscles not only have aesthetic benefits but also serve as an excellent preventive measure against back pain. In fact, most instances of back pain can be attributed to underdeveloped back muscles, making the plank an effective solution in such cases as well. Plank will fix your posture. It is widely acknowledged that posture immediately conveys conscious and subconscious messages to those around us. Individuals with good posture are perceived as confident and attractive. In fact, we often assess a person's demeanor based on the straightness of their shoulders. Therefore, if you desire to appear fit and appealing, maintaining proper posture is of utmost importance. The plank exercise can greatly assist you in this regard. By strengthening the core and upper back muscles, as well as impacting the neck and shoulder muscles, which are crucial for posture, regular planking can help correct your posture. In just a month, you will likely observe significant progress in the mirror as a result. Plank will boost your metabolism. Consistency is key when it comes to planking, as the noticeable effects require regular practice. By engaging in this exercise on a consistent basis, you can accelerate your metabolism, which in turn aids in weight loss. The combination of burning more calories and engaging the abdominal muscles simultaneously contributes to achieving visible results. Within a month, the cumulative impact of these two factors can lead to the appearance of well-defined, six-pack abs when you look in the mirror. Plank will improve your balance and coordination. What is your single-leg endurance like? How well do you maintain balance? The plank exercise can be highly beneficial in this regard, as it effectively strengthens your stabilizer muscles. Although these muscles may not be visible in the mirror due to their small size, they play a crucial role in maintaining balance. Enhancing your ability to maintain balance through plank exercises can greatly assist you in various sports and physical activities. How long should you hold a plank? The appropriate duration of a plank depends on your fitness level and prior training experience. If you are a beginner or new to physical activities, aim for at least 15 to 30 seconds initially. It is crucial to prioritize maintaining proper technique rather than extending the duration at the expense of form. Research indicates that holding a plank for the maximum possible time may not be the optimal choice for your overall health. Instead, it is recommended to perform multiple sets of planks. For instance, you can hold a plank for several minutes with correct technique, avoiding complete failure, and then rest for 1 or 2 minutes before proceeding to the second set. Repeat this pattern for subsequent sets. Plank pros and cons. What are the advantages and disadvantages of performing a plank exercise? On the positive side, there are clear benefits, some of which I have already mentioned. These include its simplicity, accessibility, ability to strengthen multiple muscles, promote good posture, and the convenience of being able to perform it almost anywhere. However, there are some drawbacks to consider. One drawback is that incorrect technique can put excessive pressure on the spinal discs, lower back, and shoulder joints. That's why I always emphasize that proper technique is more important than the duration of the exercise. Another disadvantage is that prolonged plank holds can elevate blood pressure, which is why it is recommended to perform multiple sets with breaks of 1 or 2 minutes, without pushing yourself to complete exhaustion. Plank technique. How should the plank exercise be performed correctly? While there are numerous variations of the plank exercise, I will focus on explaining the classic version, as it is widely known and suitable for beginners. To begin, assume a push-up position and then bend your elbows at a 90-degree angle, shifting your body weight onto your forearms. It is crucial to maintain a straight line from head to toe, ensuring that your entire body is aligned properly. By doing so, your abdominal muscles will naturally tighten, and all other muscles will be engaged. Nuances of plank technique. There are certain details to consider in the plank technique. Firstly, it's important to maintain a relatively relaxed position for your head and neck. Secondly, you can either keep your arms straight in front of you or cross them during the exercise. Additionally, it's crucial to ensure that your elbows are directly beneath your shoulder joints to avoid unnecessary strain on your elbows and shoulders. This means that your shoulders should be perpendicular to the ground. Furthermore, it's essential to keep your lower back straight, avoiding excessive rounding or bending. Finally, focus on maintaining slow, calm, and deep breathing throughout the plank exercise. Plank pose contraindications. Pregnant women and individuals with back injuries should avoid performing the plank exercise. Additionally, it is not advisable for individuals with hernias or issues related to the elbow, shoulder, wrist, or ankle joints. Furthermore, those who have a tendency towards high blood pressure are also advised against doing planks. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new tips. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comments section down below, and feel free to stay safe and enjoy. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.